Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and restrict group chat in Messenger. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for us to access our Chrome browser. Now go to search bar and type in facebook.com. So first you can see this is in the desktop side. So what you have to do, once you have access to your Facebook, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this three dot icon on top and make sure this one is checked. So if it's not, then it will gonna look like this normal way where we can go ahead, access our messages and find our group chats and stuff like that, right? So but if we go back, we're gonna go ahead, tap on and there's a three dot icon on top, and tap on this desktop side. Now it will simply put it on the desktop side way, and now this kind of interface, we can see all of the options including this messenger option on top. Go ahead, tap on it, and now tap on this group of yours. So now you can see now your particular messages are now open. So if you're gonna go ahead, you can tap previously we could have this option of actually going to ignore option, but now we only have this option called simply muting the notification would be, or you can simply archive the chats, mute the notification, delete chats, or leave the group. Those are the only options available. It will be good for you if you can tap on this mute notification, so you won't get the notification from the group chat only and you can ignore it like that. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.